Tell me first of all that what is the reason behind it that students don't speak English?
They don't
Why?
sir, they didn't study and then you said that saw video in YouTube, but they didn't saw video in
They don't see video, watch video. So what do you think about those students that they are not learning English? What do you want to say them? What do you want to say? According to you, what should they do?
They should learn English and they focus on what
Structure, yeah,
teaching, and they watch the topics in YouTube and they write about the topics
yeah.
in Google.
And what do you think about your friends that they don't speak English, only you are speaking English? So you, what do you want to suggest to them? That also you must learn English because in coming up time we will think about English and English will be required for us. So what do you want to say?
Sir, I want to say that all time in school we will have to speak English. We
You must
speak in English, but they
they don't.
didn't follow this rule.
Yeah, they didn't follow this rule at their home. That's why they don't want to do it. But Mugu, tell me that some people they think that English is only a language. Whatever we learn, whatever we do. So what do you think that according to you, as you learn English, so you know that if you can learn English, everybody can learn English.
Sir,
Yeah.
they can learn English.
So what should they do for learning English?
They should go to coaching,
Yeah, yeah,
English coaching
Yeah.
in summer time,
yeah,
and principal
yeah. Teachers.
principal find English teacher.
Yeah. You want to say that if they go to summer vacation coaching, so they should learn, and if they come to school, the school principal should say to them that all teachers that if you speak English, then your students will speak English. Okay. But tell me that why English is tough? Why people think that English is tough? We can't learn English.
Sir, because English is not a mother tongue.
Yeah.
Hindi, every
Yeah.
our parents teach us Hindi. If they teach us English, then
Yeah.
we can learn
English.
Hindi. That's
Yeah.
why that English is tough.
And also we born in India. If we would be born in America, so we would speak English like this. So do you want to go to another country?
Yes.
Why?
I want.
Why?
Because learning English.
For learning English. Okay. So do you think that I'm a good person? I'm learning English. I'm perfect in English.
Yes, sir.
You think I'm perfect in English? How?
Sir, I am
Little bit.
little bit
I'm
perfect
thinking.
in
Yeah, little bit. Yeah. And
I speak topics
yeah, yeah.
and I learn English in
So,
summertime.
yeah. You can tell me how do you speak English? How do you speak English? You know nobody speaks English. They listen to you and they think he is speaking English, so we can also speak English. So how do you learn English? Tell me.
Sir, when you teach us English, I focus and I read. I go home and read structures, and then I learn.
Yes, Mukund wants to say that how did he learn English? When I teach in class, so Mukund follow this rule. He follows the rules like I taught Will Gagi Ge. So Mukund reads. I will go, I will speak, I will write, I will do something different. And then he reads structures and meanings, anything else, and then he tries to speak in English. He doesn't think in Hindi. Am I right? That's why he is learning English. Also, I want to say to you all that if he is speaking English, he can speak English, he can learn English with the help of structure, with the help of whatever I am teaching. So you can also learn English. So I think this is the best example for us in front of us, Mukund, that he is speaking English. So I have no any choice. I have no any words to say about him because he is a good in English, also he is learning, he is also learner, also I am learner, also you are learner. So we should think about ourselves that in coming of time somebody will meet us, so what will we speak, somebody ask a question, so how will we give answer. So we should think in English, we should speak in English. That's why I want to say to you that whatever Mukund told me today, I'm happy to listening his words, and it's an honor to me that Mukund is talking in front of me. So that's all. Thank you very much, Mukund, for your being a pleasure you came to here. I'll take let's go.